welcome to our channel Infytq. This is Srijna. In the last session, I had discussed about previous question papers of Infytq. So in this session also, I will tell that example programs. Okay, let's see here. Video Share is an online video sharing platform. The company has decided to rate its users channel. The company has decided to rate its users channel based on the sum total of the numbers of views received online and subscribers. The sum total is referred to as user points. The rating will be given according to the below charts. So the rating will be given according to the below charts. User point rating 30 to 50 is average, 51 to 60 good, 61 to 80 excellent, 81 to 100 outstanding. Okay, the whole process is automated at it and it can be carried out by company system. So write an algorithm means write a code for this. What is the input? Input is a user points. The input must be above 30 and below 100. Above or equal to, greater than or equal to 30 or less than or equal to 100. Okay. So if I am giving 77, 77 is between 61 to 80, then answer is excellent. Then answer is excellent. Okay. Let's write a code for this. Let's write a code for this. Here I am taking okay. So first of all, I have to take one input. I have to take one input. Input format is user points. Only one input. There is no message for that. Then I can write user points. Either n. User points. User points is equal to int of input of input of if user points greater than or equal to 30 and user points less than or equal to 50, then print what I have to print, average. The next point, elif user points greater than 50 and user points less than or equal to 60, then print good. Elif user points greater than 60 and user points less than or equal to 80, then print excellent. Next, elif user points greater than 80 and user points less than or equal to 100, then print outstanding, then print outstanding. Okay, let's execute this program. Okay, example. So if I am giving 77, then the answer is excellent. Okay, the test case is matched. If I am giving 60, good is the answer. If I am giving 87, Outstanding is the answer. So if I am giving 32, then answer is average. Okay. So let's see another example program. Let's see another example program. Write a program to reverse of words. Reverse of words. Okay. So the input format is string. Output format is also string. Input format contains one line string. Output format is also contains one line string. The test case. What is the input? Ben learning Python. Ben learning Python. What is the output form? Python learning Ben. Python learning Ben. It is the output form. Okay. It is a output form. So what we have to do first? So first of all we have to take an input string. The output will be reverse of words. Python learning Ben. It is a reverse of words. Okay. Let's write code for this. First of all, I have to take a string. S is equal to input of. I am taking a string. S is equal to input of. After that, what I have to do? So, first of all, I am taking a string. Just see the first rough work. Ben learning Python. It is a input string. So, what is the output format? Output format is Python learning Ben. It is a output form. It is a output form. Then, first of all, so this string can be divided into words. So split function. By using split function, we can divide this string. So after that, after splitting completed, so for example, is dot split. S dot split. Okay, automatically the words can be divided and stored into a list. So then L contains Ben. Okay, learning. Next one is Python. Ben learning Python. The list contains like this. Okay. After that, okay. So after that, I have to calculate length for this list. What is the length for the list? So length is equal to 3. So what is the index of Python? 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. So then I have to add one by one Python learning Ben to another list. So then take another variable like I is equal to length minus 1. Okay, then answer is 2. So because Python index is 2, that is the last word index. Okay, so here I am adding last index. Last index is what? I greater than or equal to 0. Take while loop, I greater than or equal to 0 like this. While I greater than or equal to 0. Then the condition is true. Automatically it will enter into the loop. So whenever the condition is true, it will enter into the loop. After that, I have to add this Python learning Ben to another list. So I am taking list name is L1. L1 dot append of L of what is the Python index 2? 2 should be present in I. Okay. So after that, I am doing I is equal to I minus 1. So the next I value is 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. The condition is true. Then learning is stored in L1. So the next index is 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0, the condition is true. So Ben is stored in L1. Next, after that, now L1 contains the list like this: Python, learning, Ben, Python, learning, Ben. Now I have to join these lists to string. Okay, I have to join these strings to one string. Okay, for this we are using join predefined function. For example, I will take output or result variable is equal to space dot join of L1. That's it. Okay. Then we have to write code for this. Let's see here. First of all, we are taking a string. After that, I have to split that string into words. So L is equal to S dot split. Split is confirmed. Split is completed. After that, the words are moving to the L. So L contains Ben, learning, Python. After that, what I have to do? So then length is equal to, then you have to calculate length for L. You have to calculate length for L. Len of L minus 1 is equal to I is equal to len of L minus 1. So then what is the I value? I value is 2. Now I value is 2. So let's take while loop. Before taking a while loop, I have to take L1 list. L1 is equal to empty list. While I greater than or equal to 0. I greater than or equal to 0. Next, L1 dot append of what I have to append? L of I means L of 2 value. Next L of 1 value. Next of L of 0 value. Then I is equal to I minus 1. It is an updation. Then now L1 contains Python, learning, Ben. Okay. Then I have to join these substrings into one string. So I am taking variable name as output. Output is equal to dot join of L1. Okay. Let's print output. Let's execute this program. So what is the test case? Ben learning Python. Ben learning Python. Ben learning Python. So the answer is Python learning Ben. So let's see here what is the second test case. RAM waiting for bus. RAM waiting for bus. Let's execute this. RAM waiting for bus. Now answer is bus for waiting RAM. Bus for waiting RAM. Bus for waiting RAM. Okay. So this is the program about reverse of string. Reverse of strings. Okay. Accept two strings and merge one by one character. Accept two strings and merge one by one character. Let's see here. Input format. Line 1 is equal to string, line 2 is equal to string, and output format is also one string. Output format contains only one line, that is nothing but string. Let's see the test cases of this program. First test case, line 1 is RAM, line 2 is Raj. Okay. Output format is RR, AA, MJ. Okay. Let's write the coding for this example. Okay. So first of all, I have to take two inputs, that is in string format, S1 S2 input of. Then each index starts with 0. That's why I am taking here I comma j is equal to 0 comma 0. So S1 index starts with 0. S2 index is also starts with 0. After that, again I am taking a variable with string. This is the output string. That is nothing but final result string. Okay. Taking a loop while I less than len of S1 or j less than len of S2. If I less than len of S1, then it will enter into the if block. Then output is equal to output plus S1 of I is the answer. Okay. Again I am taking another if block j. Here you have to increment I value. I is equal to I plus 1. Next, if j less than len of S2, next output is equal to output plus S2 of j. J is equal to j plus 1. Print output. Okay, let's execute this first. Ram, Raj. The answer is RRAAMJ. Okay. Now I explain this code once. Let's see here. S1 is 2. S1 is 2 contains two strings, that is nothing but Ram and Raj. So each index starts with 0. That's why I am taking here 0. So it is a final output string. So while 0 less than 3, what is the length of S1? That is nothing but 3. Length of S1 is 3. Length of S2 is also 3. Both are 3. Means the loop will be repeated up to 3 times. 0 less than 3, 1 less than 3, 3 less than 3. Here also same length. So that's why that loop is repeated up to 3 times. If I less than len of S1 means 0 less than 3, the condition is true, it will came into the if block. Output is equal to output plus S1 of I. There is no output. In output there is no string. So S1 plus output plus S1 of I. What is the S1 of I? S1 of 0 value is R. So R is stored in output index. R is stored in output string. After that, I is equal to I plus 1. I value is incremented. Then J 0 less than len of S2 means 3. 0 less than 3. The condition is true. Output is equal to output plus. So I already R is there. R plus means concatenation S2 of J. S2 of J means S2 of 0. Again R. So here R is the answer. The next repetition I value is incremented and J value is also incremented. Automatically it will get the first string second value, second string second value. Again it will get the first string third value, second string third value. So etc. Let's see second test case. Second test case is matched or not. Learning programming. Let's execute this. Learning programming. Okay. Let's see here. LPERAO R. Okay. So the string is correct. Let's check here. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So let's move on to the next example. This is about merging of two strings one by one character. Let's move on to the next example. What is the next example? See here. So it is also an example for strings concept. Given a string is input consisting of stars and hash. The length of the string is variable. The length of the string is variable. The task is find the minimum number of stars or hash to make it is a valid string. The string is considered valid if the number of stars and hash are equal. Okay. The star and hash can be at any position in the string. Okay. The output will be, so here what is the note here? Check here. The output will be a positive or negative integer based on the number of star and hash. So in the string. Okay. If star is greater than hash positive integer. So okay, hash is greater than star negative integer. Hash is equal to sir, then answer is 0. Okay. So stars hash star. So answer is 0 because both are equal. Okay. So the input format, the input format contains only string. The string only contains star and hashes. Star and hashes. If star number is greater, then it will generate positive number. If hash number is greater, then it will generate negative number, either -1, -2, -3, etc. So if both are equal, then it will generate 0. Okay. Let's see here. First of all, you have to take a string. S is equal to input of. I am taking a string with the combinations of star and hash. Okay, star and hash. After that, I am taking a variables. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Okay. So I am taking a for loop for I in S. S is a sequence. Okay. S contains stars and hashes. Okay. Then first of all, I am checking if I value is equal to star. If I value is equal to star, then I can increment A value. A is equal to A plus B. If it will check, either you can take else also, else. Either it will move on to the else block, else. Either elif J is equal to, sorry, I is equal to hash. If either it is star, it will increment the A value. It will increment the A value. Either it is hash, it will increment the B value. Okay. So the string contains only star and hashes. So if it is a star, it will increment the A value. If it is a hash, it will increment the B value. Okay. So then print A minus B. Then print A minus B. Let's see here. I am taking a string. Star, hash. The answer is 0. Yes, the answer is first test case is matched. Okay. The answer is 0. Okay. So here you have to check these conditions also. What are the conditions? Positive integer, negative integer. Positive integer, negative integer. So if star is greater than hash, then check once if star is greater than hash. Execute this. I am taking 4 stars and 3 hashes. The answer is 1. Okay. So it will generate positive integer. If hash greater than star, negative integer. Let's check here. Again I am executing this. Hash, star and hashes will be any position. Star. Hash, star. Negative number. Okay. So the program is executed successfully. Okay. So it is the example. Okay. So in later session, okay, this is about this session. In later session, I will discuss about remaining Infytq questions. Okay. Please watch our videos regularly. If you have any doubts, please post on comment section. Okay. Thanks for watching.